Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the document open and ready. Start now. First, confirm the file location and that you can edit it. If not, adjust permissions. Once done, choose a clear new name and target folder so you avoid overriding other files. You'll use Save As rather than Save to change the file name. This preserves the original until you confirm the new name. Make sure to note any versioning rules your team uses before proceeding. You're in the Save As dialog now. Act deliberately. Press F12 or go to File, Save As, then navigate to the folder you chose. Type the new name exactly, including any version tag like v2 or date, and confirm the file type, Word defaults to. docx. Once typed, scan the name for forbidden characters and length. Windows disallows characters like asterisk. Click Save to create the renamed copy and keep the original until you verify. You've saved the new file name, now verify. Open the renamed file to confirm content, formatting, and metadata such as modified date. Make sure links and embedded objects still work. If Save As failed, check for common issues, insufficient disk space, missing write permission, or another program locking the file. Once the new file is confirmed, you can delete or archive the original. One troubleshooting tip: if the file is locked, restart Word or your computer to clear stale locks before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.